What's up everybody, it's your boy Randall D, TechGeek RLD, back again with another video. Today we're going to take a look at how to pair a Bluetooth game controller to your Android device. Now shout out to Cristobal Ramos, hope I said your name correctly, sorry about that. But he says, can you make a vid on how you connect your LG X Charge to a video game controller? So without further ado, we finna fulfill that request. Now unfortunately, what I have on the table here is all Xbox One S controllers, but nonetheless, all you need is a controller with the Bluetooth functionality. That's all you need. All the latest Xbox One controllers have that, and the PS4 controllers all use the Bluetooth technology. Alright, so let's get these controllers paired up. So first you want to go into your Bluetooth settings, and then after that you want to come down here to the search button, which is typical for every Android device. Click search, and then you want to put the controller in pairing mode. So we're going to power on the Xbox One S controller, and there's a button at the top of the controller that puts it in pairing mode. This is also the same pairing mode if you was pairing it to the Xbox One system. So now the controller is in pairing mode. You will wait for the phone or your tablet to see the controller, and as you can see, it pops up Xbox wireless controller. Click on that. After that, the phone or tablet and the controller will be paired. It's going to pop up a little message saying your phone is connected to the controller, and after that you're good to go. As you can see here, when I move the joysticks, things are highlighted, and even on the home screen things are highlighted as I move the stick left to right. I click on different icons and things of that nature. Also, please note, you could also pair other devices to your phone or tablet, not just a controller, but you can pair a mouse and keyboard, you can pair Bluetooth headsets. It's all the same process, but in this scenario we're pairing this controller to the LG X Charge. Of course, all the buttons work, the D-pad work, the analog stick works, and for the most part you're good to go. So I'm not going to play the full game, but I'm just going to give you guys a quick demonstration of the connectivity here. Let's move the controller out the way. Of course, a little intro plays for Sonic 2 from Sega Genesis back in the day, and we're on Emerald Hill Zone 1, and as you can see, the thumbstick, everything works perfect. The A, B, X, Y buttons work, the thumbstick, the D-pad, and for the most part you're good to go. So game time. That pretty much wraps up my tutorial on how to pair a game controller, Bluetooth controller, to your Android device. If you like what you saw, please hit that thumbs up button. If you really like what you saw, hit that subscribe button. You know, this is the early days of a YouTube channel, you know, on the up and coming rise of a YouTube channel. So hit that subscribe button. It is what it is, and you know my slogan, they're gonna learn today. All right, everybody.